Let's have a look at the charging modes and ports available on the eDucato. There are 4 charging levels, 3 for alternating current AC and 1 for direct current DC. For alternating current, you have 7 kW standard change, available as standard for vehicles with 3 battery modules. 11 kW fast recharge available with both 3 module and 5 module battery packs, standard on 5 module versions. 22 kW fast charging available as an option. Rapid DC charging up to 50 kW for charging 3 module batteries up to 80% in 50 minutes and 5 module batteries in 1 hour 25 minutes. Please note that on vehicles equipped with rapid charging will be available until 80% of capacity is reached, after which, if 100% is to be reached, the charging speed will proceed more slowly to protect the batteries. The charging ports are located next to the driver's side door under the flap where the fuel cap is found on conventional internal combustion engine vehicles. After parking the vehicle near a charging station or wall box, proceed as follows to start charging. Place the e-shifter in position N. Engage the parking brake. Stop the vehicle. Remove the key. Activate the charging station if necessary. Plug the charging cable available on the vehicle into the charging station or wall box. The cable is available at the charging station for rapid charging. Then plug the cable into the charging port on the vehicle. Lock the vehicle doors using the remote control. Charge starts automatically and the start of the procedure will be visible by the LEDs next to the charging port. White light means that the vehicle is ready for charging. Flashing green light means that the vehicle is charging, and steady green light means that the vehicle is fully charged. A flashing blue light indicates scheduled charging. After 2 minutes, it switches off and then switches on again 5 minutes before the start of the scheduled charging operation. Steady red light indicates an error in the charging process or cable connected to the vehicle first and not connected to the charging station or wall box first. The control unit will display the charging status. Warning: if the charging operation is interrupted by the charging station, the LEDs will flash white to indicate that the system has been checked and is ready to charge. Warning: we recommend charging the high voltage batteries when the state of charge is less than 20% and the outside temperature is low. Important advice: periodically, once a week, keep the vehicle connected to the charger for at least 40 minutes after reaching a 100% state of charge to keep the battery packs optimally balanced. If necessary, a message will appear to remind you to do this. The procedure will be as follows when charging is complete, or to stop charging if necessary. Unlock the cab doors with the remote control or open the driver's side door with the key. The cable can be disconnected from the vehicle, which will be unlocked when the charging process is stopped. The connection to the post or wall box can also be removed after disconnecting the cable from the vehicle. If the charging cable is not released automatically when the doors are opened with the remote control or key, there are 2 procedures for removing the cable. As a first option, you get aboard and turn the key on, and then back off and try to release the cable. If it is still locked after this operation, you can use the mechanical release located inside next to the driver's seat, next to the charging port. After removing the protective cap, pull the cord to release the charging cable and then remove it. You will be able to leave for a new mission after repositioning the cord and the protective cap. Happy motoring!